and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm not exactly sure which one this is. I already have 3 other ones to do today as well, so looks like it's going to be an easy unboxing today. Alright, let's see which one this is. These are 2 phones that I picked up on eBay. I'll look up the eBay listing 1 second. Here they are. Let me pull up the listing real quick for you guys. And I'll show you what they cost. These ones were $9.95 with free shipping. Here is the first one. It's a Samsung on Cricket. I don't think it has a battery in it. Oh, it does. It is the SDHR 460. I am starting to buy a lot more Cricket phones as well, so seems like it has no power, but the battery's probably dead. And here's another Cricket Samsung device. It is non-slider, it's just a bar phone touchscreen. Samsung R710. So there's those. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I'll go and do an update video. I got to do the Motorola Q and this UT Starcom as well, so they'll be coming up as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.